Esta es una prueba de cómo va mi inglés por la presentación del lío, porque mañana tengo una presentación con el puto y tengo que practicar. Entonces empecemos ahorita. Ok, supongamos que el lío dice Jerry, ven acá. Entonces digo, bueno, voy a empezar la presentación. The damage o de como, hoy no sé. Bueno, the danger, no, yo creo que es the damage. The damage of drugs. The world is a marvelous place where we can enjoy as much as we can because we are here just once. And drug will not allow you to enjoy the beauty of life. The society globally is full with the 80% of of good habits and maybe the 20% of bad habits or negative things. And in these 20% are definitely drugs. Drugs have been causing many troubles all around worldwide. Worldwide, this can cause damage inside and outside of your body in multiple ways. Therefore, are considered as destructive and hazardous for human beings. There's no doubt about that drugs. Um, that there's no doubt about that the brain, the central nervous system, and the behavior are affected by this. But let me break it down why drugs can affect to the brain because the brain is directly connected with the central nervous system and the behavior. Okay, the brain is is how is the word? It's an organ. It's an complex. Okay, I'm sorry. With me. Okay, the brain is a complex organ that this is that it's working by by pardon, by controlling our thoughts or emotion or temperature or movement or motor skills or concentration or consciousness or of awareness. The movement that we do, for example, this like this and things like that, or knowledge or intellect or imagination or creativity, etc. What's more? Etc. So our brain also have billions of cells, and these cells are called neurons. And neurons are the principal thing that have many knowledge and many information about us. So okay, but the brain doesn't work. But the brain doesn't work alone. It works with the company of the central nervous system, and if both of them work correctly, that's the reason because we are able to move our hand, move our head, talk in the way that I am talking right now, move my fingers, do many different kind of movement, etc. So when you take a drug, it will affect directly. In the short term, you will have many side effects that will affect in your life, and in the long term, you will have that your central nervous system will be affected directly, and all your neurons will kill because drugs will kill neurons. And if your neurons are killed by these drugs, you will lose all the knowledge and information that you will have. So you will lose your memory, etc. As a conclusion, drugs as a dark. As a conclusion, drug as a dark. ¡Ah! Ay, Dios mío. Yo creo que debo